Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I share with you how to make the best suya at home. I will start by cutting the beef. I'll cut the beef to be thin. Once that is done, I'll transfer the cut beef inside the bowl. I'll season with garlic powder, onions powder, season powder, suya spice, oil, mix together. I'll cover and put it in the fridge to marinate for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll transfer the meat inside an oven tray. I will transfer into Buchi Miss multi-purpose air fryer oven. I will roast at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. From time to time, I'm going to come and give it a stir. While that is in the oven, I will slice cucumber, onions, and tomatoes for garnishing. And that is done. 20 minutes later, the suya is ready. This suya smells amazing. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. And just look at how beautiful and delicious the suya looks. I will serve and finish it up with some suya spice. Enjoy with any drink of your choice. This suya was very delicious. It tasted just like the one Aboki will serve for you. Will you be giving it a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.